Hello, dear friends. We have already seen two sections of module number second, module number 7A, that is an introduction to media writing. Second section we have completed and we discussed in my last video. Now we are going to discuss section third of this module, that is script writing for radio and television. You have come across the difference between written English and spoken English in the previous year. On the same lines, it is necessary to know the difference between reading aloud and listening. Reading aloud is quite essential skill. It is also the matter of pronunciation, of uttering a word, a particular word in a particular style. Phonetics is the subject which explores all about the language which is spoken, stress and intonation patterns of the words, and much more. If you go through the subject, you will come to know all the important things related to the utterance of the words, how the words should utter. So the knowledge of utterance of the words you will get in phonetics. The right and proper utterance of the words is quite essential in the electronic media also. If you are an anchor on television, your words should be clear, perfect in utterance, right stress and intonation pattern. The media of radio and television are not at all new to you. Different programs are broadcasted, telecasted on radio and television. There are news, talks, interviews, panel discussions, radio and TV plays, commentary, reading of a literary work like short story or novel, and some educational programs are organized on television and radio. For presentation of all such programs, there is an important role to play for a radio jockey. In short, RJs is called, and video jockeys, that is VJs. The presentation in all these programs should be planned one. You have learned the importance of planning for PPT. Without the planning, you cannot perform or present any kind of a program on television and radio. You must know how the program is to be presented on television, or how it will look like for the audience, how it will be on the screen. So you have to do plan properly of the particular program. A radio being an audio channel of communication, spoken form of the language is used for radio with the support of sound effects, music, etc. Many times you might have heard radio, even the news on radio in Marathi, in Hindi, in English. If you see or if you hear all these news and other programs on radio, you will come to know the stress and intonation pattern of the words uttered by the anchor, and the way of expression of the words. Sound effect is quite essential while speaking. Up and downs in the statements and sounds of the words is quite essential for proper effect of the particular news on the mind of audience. The presenters have to take into account the audience listeners, whereas TV is both audio and visual. On television screen you can see audio and visual expression, but on radio you cannot see, you just hear. When the television was not invented, you might have remembered that people used to listen commentary of ongoing cricket match was there on radio full day. If there was a test match for 5 days, full 5 days radio is engaged with running commentary, and people used to listen carefully and enjoyed that commentary also. But after the invention of television, it is not necessary to make a running commentary of ongoing cricket match or any program. Within few words you can explain each and everything. But nowadays when we see 2020 matches, there are running commentary going on the television. Simultaneously you are seeing the particular match on screen. So this is the audio visual medium through which you can easily guess what you want to see. Spoken language is added by visuals, colors and sound effects, background setting, music, acting, etc. So all these parts are there in audio visual impression. And hence both audio and visual factors are important for viewers. The radio news is not supported by film or video clips just like TV. Technology has created much more gadgets like Android mobiles, through which you can see almost each and everything within a fraction of a second on your mobile. And almost every person in the world has his own mobile. The programs on radio and television have to be written before they are orally presented. The basic thing and quite essential thing. Every program is already written before they are orally presented on television and radio also. Time is one of the important factors which necessitates writing the script for different programs. Time is one of the important factors which necessitates writing a script for different programs. So writing a script is quite essential thing. Without writing a proper script, you cannot present your program on television or radio. So whatever you are going to present, it must be written in advance. You have to work on it. You have to reread once again and again. Try to avoid the mistakes. And when you are going to present the particular program by reading whatever you have written on the paper, there should not be any single mistake. Mistake is not acceptable on television and radio also. So writing for the radio and television is different from writing for the newspaper. Writing for the television and radio is different from writing in the newspaper. Taking in the account the difference in radio and television, it is essential to understand that writing for the radio is comparatively difficult than the writing for the television. Writing for the radio is comparatively difficult than writing for the television. As I have already mentioned, English is used in different programs on radio and television. So it is slightly difficult to write for television. As I already mentioned in this unit, English is used in different programs on radio and television. This unit will focus on do's and don'ts of script writing in English for news broadcasts. What this unit will teach you? Some do's, what you should have to do while writing for news broadcast and what you should not do while writing a script in English for broadcast. We will see furthermore points regarding this section 3, script writing and radio and television, in my next video. Till then, thank you.